So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Drivers are going on strike.
Oh, another strike. All right, so I'm working so they can hire a private jet. NYC Uber drivers strike over blocked raises.
Yeah.
So there's a quote here from one of the drivers and a union member. Now I'm working for Uber, raising all this money for them so they can hire a private jet or go to a private island or go to Dubai to celebrate their happiness with their families. We could have been earning $1,000 extra a month to pay our bills, not for luxuries.
Yeah, so what is taking place is New York City Uber drivers 24-hour strike. All day and all night. Why? Because again, drivers are fed up for working, literally sometimes over 10 hours a day. And the executives, they sit back, they hang out on their private jets, they wear their pajamas on their private jets, they wear their PJs on their PJ, and they get rich while drivers, literally drive around and work really, really hard. So yeah, we're gonna read a little bit about this. And the big question is, do strikes work? Let's find out. Go ahead.
Great. So New York City Uber drivers launched their second 24-hour strike in less than a month Thursday, an ongoing protest over their company's efforts to block a pay hike passed by the Taxi and Limousine Commission. New York Taxi Workers Alliance, NYTWA, the union representing the 21,000 or so app dispatch drivers, along with those behind the wheels of green, black, and livery cars in the city, asked passengers to assist in their bid to have raises restored by boycotting Uber until midnight. The group says app drivers, including those working for Uber, had lost about $12 million in raises by New Year's Day because of the judge's temporary restraining order. That's crazy. The raises had been supposed to take effect on December 19th, the day the last 24-hour Uber strike was held. The one blocked traffic across the Brooklyn Bridge during rush hour as dozens of Uber drivers formed a caravan, sacrificing peak work hours to take a stand. And then 4 days later, on December 23rd, NYTWA filed an amicus brief in the state court case. What's crazy is that the price of Ubers for the riders go up,
yeah,
but the drivers don't get paid anymore.
No, literally, the cost to take an Uber as a passenger is so expensive now.
Yeah, I was just in New York in July or June, and we had to take an Uber literally maybe half of, or 0.9 miles away, and it was $20.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
And drivers make around $1 per mile. So that driver probably made, there is a base fee of $2 or $3. So that driver probably made $4 on that ride.
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. So that's the Uber driver strike. And 80,000 Uber drivers have been slated to get the pre-Christmas pay bump. So basically, yeah, they didn't end up getting the pay raise. So that's why they went on strike. So we will see. We will keep you all up to date with what happens